So after months and months of searching for a replacement bumper, knowing that I'm going to be hitting a lot of trails and leading groups and joining other runs across the country, I realized very quickly that I have to replace the front bumper for multiple reasons. The first one is your approach angle when you're on the trails. Whether you're going slow or you're going a little fast, the stock bumper limits you very much at the approach angle. After searching and after looking for many opinions and many different pictures and watching different videos of people replacing their own bumpers, I decided to go with ADD. I decided to go specifically with the ADD Pro frame cut bumper. And I made sure to get one that is sturdy enough, that looks aggressive, and that gives me the most absolute approach angle for my truck. So let's take you through the steps of our install with my buddy Travis Runty that helped me do this due to my limited ability to do it myself. I'll go ahead and leave you guys to watch this for a few minutes.
So I'm out here with my buddy Travis Runty, who installed the same bumper. We kind of ordered at the same time, and because he's got steady hands and he's got more experience with the cutting wheel, which I recommend you get with a buddy of yours if you're not familiar with a plasma or cutting wheel, to make this job safer. So let's go over the instructions. They're very meticulously laid out at the ADD website. Let's go over them real quick. First thing, let's go over the tools you need. You need a ratchet, a 3/4 inch socket, 9/16 inch socket, an E6 external toric socket, 8mm, 11mm, 13mm, 15mm, 21mm sockets, and then a cutting tool. ADD recommends a Sawzall, but I think we're going to use a cutting wheel.
It's a 4.5 inch cutting wheel.
We're going to use a grinder and some black paint, and then we're going to go over what's included in the kit here just a little bit, but we could show you the hardware that came with this kit. It is pretty clean, pretty stout. It's the highest grade you're going to need to put that bumper on. And I believe this is actually harder than the stock bolts that come on the bumper. Much stronger. So we're going to get started here. We got the truck up in the air. We're going to start taking down the stock parts first. We'll be right back. Learned from Travis here that it's best, before you cut on the bumper, to remove the front grille, remove the intercooler, which we're going to actually have to remove it for a whole different reason, but it's better than cutting anywhere near the intercooler pipes. So we're going to remove the grille, and if you want to see more information on how to remove this grille, please look at our video for the intercooler install on the channel. Right now we're marking where we're going to cut. I very highly recommend that you go on the ADD website. Their instructions are actually really good. They're very clear. You can't mess up if you follow them. We're just going to show you exactly how we're doing it here. Travis has done his the other day, so he's very familiar with this process. So bottom line, your cut is going to go diagonal this way here. And we'll show you in just a little bit the up-close picture of where we're going to mark up top. So up top right there, you're going to mark just the line behind this opening right there, closer towards the truck, so towards the back. And then we're going to come down all the way in a diagonal form to this line. So we're about to draw that line, but Travis has a really nifty idea here. He used a rubber band to help him kind of keep the line. It's really cool. So you can kind of follow drawing the line from this point back.
to the final step, putting on this awesome bumper on the truck. It comes all in one piece. It weighs about 55 or less pounds. It's all together. It's super strong. It comes with its own plate to mount a lot of lights. We're going to go with 7 lights on this, and we'll show you in the next video with the custom wiring harness. I'm going to show you, we clipped 2 of these washers. Save 2. Probably you might want to do the same. If you do it different, let us know. They go on this side here, and we're doing it so it doesn't protrude with the welds. I'll show you here in a little bit once we put it on. Final steps. We're all excited. So let's go. So this was part 1 of the build for the RJ truck. We still have a rear bumper that we're going to work on. We're waiting on the bed sides from McNeil Racing first. It will look much better with a dovetail tuck. I'm also going to give a huge shout out to ADD Offroad for supporting me and helping me in this project. Please stay tuned for more information about what I'm working on this project and other projects. We'll see you later.